Hello, this is Reverend Rotaisiri. I'm going to show you how we can schedule a Zoom meeting. First, if you don't have the software, it's good to go to the website and download for the software for the PC. And after that, you will have it on your PC where you have a button for scheduling the meeting. And you will have to provide a topic name. Suppose this topic is the COVID-19, and you have to mention the start date, the duration of the meeting, and here, for example, we can set 30 minutes, and you have to provide a meeting ID. If you have to generate the meeting ID automatically, you will tick here. And if you want to provide the personal meeting ID, here you have to tick on this button. And if the password, you need the password. If you don't need the password, you have to untick this. So about the videos, here you have to mention if the video for the host will be on or off. For the participant also, it can be on or off like this. And here about the audio, you can choose among the three options we have. Either you have to set the audio for the telephone, the computer audio, the telephone and the computer audio, and then after that you have to schedule this. But before this scheduling that, you can also explore the advanced options where we have to enable the waiting room, enable to join before the host, to mute participants on entry, automatically record meeting on the local computer. And after that, you have to schedule this. You will have another page for scheduling the meeting. Here I have used the Google Calendar, and it has generated the link. This link will be communicated to the participant, notifying the duration, and so on and so on. And we have set the meeting ID and the password. Once they will be joining our meeting, they have to enter the ID and the password. And that's it. And I thank you very much.